In this video, we will learn about Salesforce, its definition, and career opportunities and job roles in Salesforce. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a customer relationship management (CRM) cloud-based software based in the United States, whose key role is connecting companies, organizations, and industries with their customers with an aim of helping the companies, organizations, or even industries to track their sales and customers across the internet. Salesforce is a company that provides cloud-based solutions to different businesses. It accommodates different business specifications and is able to accommodate all the business requirements, and many great businesses run and greatly rely on its services, like, for example, Facebook and Nokia companies. Salesforce is also an application that is capable and powerful enough to accommodate all kinds of business requirements. All kinds of businesses ranging from service business, commerce, can be comfortably housed within Salesforce application. Salesforce will meet your business needs and will give an appropriate cloud solution and can as well manage your clients. The role of Salesforce is to ensure that companies, organizations, or any other firms track the progress of their sales and also their marketing options. Salesforce brings companies and their respective customers together. It also helps companies market themselves to customers. Please click on the link in the description area if you want to learn about Salesforce. Career options and roles available at Salesforce. Salesforce serves to be a firm that offers different and high-paying and professionalism career choices ranging from the managerial field up to the sales. The following career options are available at Salesforce. Salesforce Software Development, Salesforce System Administration, Salesforce Architect Opportunity, Salesforce Consultant Personnel, Salesforce Project Manager. Career options and respective responsibilities at Salesforce. Number 1. Salesforce Software Development. Salesforce software developers are individuals who will listen to your business problems or ideas and apply their knowledge in coding to come up with appropriate codes that will meet your complex business requirements. Role: he or she should code your business requirements into Salesforce. Should provide appropriate solutions to different businesses. Number 2. Salesforce Administrator. Salesforce Administrator is someone who has great knowledge in Salesforce administration problematic activities. They are persons with the ability of sorting your business needs. This is a person who uses appropriate problematic measures to sort out, or in other words, to meet your business needs and requirements. Roles: they should know how to modify existing applications. They should stand answerable to security mechanisms. They should know how to create problematic solutions. They should know how to clear workflows. They should know how to enter user problematic needs. They should have great knowledge and understanding on how to upload processes. Number 3. Salesforce Consultant. Salesforce Consultant are persons who have a greater knowledge and understanding about Salesforce application. Roles: they are required to know or else to state out what kind of business requirements can be fulfilled and what kind of business solutions can be offered. If a user has this kind of problem, they are required to listen to their problems, then afterwards They should come up with solutions such that they will know this kind of problem will be sorted out with this kind of solution. Number 4. Salesforce Architect. A Salesforce Architect is the person who will help you design your business problem. If you need an application into Salesforce, then you will require Salesforce architecture to design the appropriate application for you, and they will also help you ensure that your application in Salesforce is highly scalable. Roles. They should have knowledge on security mechanisms. They should have great knowledge of Salesforce platform, and they should also know how to link and connect Salesforce to other online platforms. They should be aware of tools available at Salesforce and help users know how they can leverage the tools into their businesses. They should have great knowledge and understanding of Salesforce technology. They should help users design business solutions. Like and subscribe to this channel if you want to watch similar videos related to the disruptive technologies.